Thado Students Association TSA strongly condemned alleged acts of intimidation, coercion and misinformation by Lamminlun Singsit, accusing him of misusing the name of United Kuki National Army UKNA to instill fear and disrupt peace in Kangpokpi district. In the media release, TSA alleged that Singsit issued telephonic threats to office bearers of Morbung Youth Club, forcing them to release fabricated rebuttal denying Morbung's Thado identity and its support for popular government, and also attempted to obstruct the scheduled visit of Deputy Chief Minister Lo Sediko to Morbung during a local sports event. The association further accused him of impersonation and digital coercion through a fake WhatsApp identity, asserting that he has no authority to represent the Thado community or any Thado organization. Terming the allegations extremely serious, TSA demanded immediate arrest, registration of FIRs under relevant laws, comprehensive investigation into the misuse of armed group names, and adequate security protection for community leaders and organizations, while reaffirming its commitment to peace, constitutional governance, and democratic processes.